Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am doing a walk-around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1974 Dodge Charger. Now, this car is a real SE Charger. This car is a one-owner car. Yes, a one-owner car out of California, spent its whole life in California. We took the car in on trade, and it is an absolute awesome car. It is kind of a rare car too. It has a factory 440. It is power steering. It is power brakes. It is factory air conditioning, factory rally wheels, disc brakes on the front, factory red. This car, I would call this car an original survivor. It's had one repaint over the course of its life, but it's a original survivor, all original interior, all original underneath the hood. Sitting on BF Goodrich, Radial TA raised white letters. Red car, white vinyl top. Just a beautiful car. The bucket seats are in good shape. The carpet, all original carpet. You can see it's got a little bit of fading right there. The door panels got a little bit of chalking to them. I know you can buy them. I just wanted to leave this car as original as I possibly could for the next owner. That way they can choose to do whatever they want with it. Back seats in very nice shape. Rear panels, sail panels, headliner, package tray, dome light works, visors. Jams are very nice. It does have a couple cracks in the dash pad. Bucket seats, obviously. Automatic on the floor, factory center console. The car has 81,000 original miles on it. We have the build sheet in the trunk here. I'll open the trunk, show you that. Well, the trunk light even works. Jack instructions. For all you critics out there, it's got a spare tire in the jack and everything's there for that. Some people like to give me a hard time about having a spare tire in the car. So, yes, got a spare tire. Here's the original build sheet, or broadcast sheet. Some other Mopar paperwork in there as well. There's the paint they used. This is where they bought the car new, was Kearney Mesa Dodge. Be right with you here. I'm just putting that paperwork back in the file so it don't get lost. You can just see how nice and clean and original this car is. It also has factory power windows. That's a kind of a rarer option, I guess, on these cars. Dash light works, bright headlight indicator, left turn, right turn, all the gauges work, horn works.
Tell me when you're gonna take this for a ride.
Okay, we'll be going here in just a little bit, buddy. Blower motor works, AC. I got the air on. It don't feel like it's cold. It may need a charge. Car sounds great. original underneath the hood. There it is. We didn't paint it up or anything under the hood. I wanted to keep it as original as possible. Website as well. Turn the other signal on, put the dim headlights on. It also has factory cruise control. Bubbles or blisters on this car that I see anywhere in the bottom of the fenders, doors, quarters. I'm going to price this car at $39,900. I think that's a very fair price for it. Somebody's going to get an awesome car. Not too often you can find a one-owner SE Charger, 81,000 miles, factory 440 car. Here you go, IJ. My son's here with me. He's gonna do the ride along. Getting in, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. This is IJ. Hi, IJ. He's kind of a goof, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's a goofy kid. Cruise control even works. Look at that. No foot on it.
That is the stereo.
Yeah, that's the radio. You gotta turn this button on. Yeah. Makes noise. I don't know. I didn't try to tune any stations in, but
I think you have to.
what a great running and driving car. It's nice, isn't it, Isaac?
Yeah. Really.
That is a great car. Like I say, hard to find these cars like this. One owner car with all these options that looks this good, runs this good. I'm gonna get out and do a little walk around video here quick. There we go. 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous 74 Dodge Charger SE. You think she'll squeal the tires, Isaac?
Sure.
She runs very, very well. Pretty color, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bright red. Beautiful. All right. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that red subscribe button at the bottom and follow us on YouTube. And those of you who already have subscribed, we really appreciate that. Hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll be back at you here with a Pontiac Beaumont next. So talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.